Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we are back with another wig install, and you guys, this wig looks like it's coming from my scalp. This wig is from Panala Hair. It is their Kinky Edges Hairline Undetectable Lace Front Curly Wig. This 4C curled hairline looks ultra realistic. It's probably one of the most natural hairlines and undetectable lace wigs that I have had in a while. It's flawless and it looks like it's growing directly from your scalp. Now the good thing about this wig is that it's glueless, so you can literally just throw it on your head. It's one of those throw on and go type of wigs. It comes with the elastic band, the adjustable straps, the combs inside the wig. That way you have a proper fitting. Now I know you guys saw that volume. You guys, this wig is so soft, it's so bouncy, it's so fluffy, and it's so lightweight. I know you guys saw that lace, that hairline melted right into my skin. I can't wait to show you guys this flawless install. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump on into it. So as you guys can see, I was happy. I'm showing you guys the close-up of the elastic band and the hairline as well. As you guys can see, that lace is so thin, and that means you're going to have a super easy melt. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is fit the wig to my head. I just want to see how it's feeling before I cut off the additional lace. I'm also going to give you guys multiple close-ups of that hairline throughout this entire tutorial. Look at that. It's giving scalp, like it looks like my edges. You can't tell me that this is not my hair. They did such a good job with this wig in itself. It is crazy how natural it looks. Okay, so now it is time to cut off all that additional lace. Just so you guys know, this wig is a 13x4 lace frontal. The lace is a top Swiss lace. That's why it's giving quality, it's giving natural, it's giving thin, it's giving melt. And just so you, and I also have, in this wig, and the one that I have is 18 inches, just so you guys know, and it is a natural black hair color. Now, can this hair be cut? Can it be dyed? Yes, you can do other things along with this wig if you choose. So I just want to let you guys know that. Alright, so now that all that additional lace is gone, I'm going to give you guys another close-up. Look at that. That is insane. I was so excited to install this wig because one thing that I love is a wig that does not take a lot of effort to blend, a lot of effort to look natural, and this is one of those type of wigs. So I'm just going in with my even adhesive spray. I'm going to do a couple of layers of this, and I'm going to let it dry and get tacky. Then I'm going to melt that lace down. Okay, so once that elastic band is off, I like to go over any sections that may be lifting or where you can see the lace, and I just added some even melting spray, and then I go back in with my elastic band and let it sit for another 10 minutes or so. Okay, melting the lace is done. That was super easy. We're not laying down any baby hairs because this is a Kinky Edges wig, so we really want to make sure that we are showing that off because it's giving natural, okay? So I'm just adding some water to this hair, and you guys, guess what? When you see the final look of this wig, you guys are going to scream because I did not have to add any product in this hair at all. This hair is 100% human hair and it has a lot of density in it. It's 180% density, but you guys, it is so soft and it is so fluffy and it's so voluminous at the same time. It's just crazy how natural this unit is. Like, I was obsessed. As you guys can see, I'm just finger detangling. Later on, I am going to go in with the brush so I could further define the curls, but the hair was not giving me any issues. Like, I didn't have any shedding, I didn't have any tangling. It was so easy, so smooth, so silky, so fluffy, so lightweight. It was just beautiful. Okay, so now that I got that part out of the way, I'm going to add some makeup onto this lace. Now, don't get me wrong, this lace, once again, it is a top HD Swiss lace, so that's why it was so easy to melt. But I really wanted to put some foundation like right at the edges because I didn't want you to see the line of the lace at all. Alright, so now that I'm pretty much done with the makeup, I'm going to give you guys a close-up as to what the lace is looking like right now. So as you guys can see, you cannot even tell that this is a wig. It literally looks like my natural hair. I'm super obsessed with this wig. Super, super, super obsessed. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of different styles that you can do along with this wig. Now, I'm going to show you a middle part first. Normally, I would go in with my wax stick and my hot comb, but being that I'm not leaving it at a middle part, I didn't want to do that too early, but I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. Next, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with that half up, half down. And again, I'm going to give you guys some close-ups of the edges. And you guys, you could not tell that this was a wig, like, at all. It was so cute and so natural looking. Alright, so now I'm going to do the final styling of the hair. So I went ahead and gave myself like a little side swoop C part, and now I'm going to go in with my wax stick and my hot comb. The only reason why I'm using my wax stick and my hot comb is because I want the top of the wig to lay super flat. So on either side of the part, I'm just going in section by section with the wax stick, then the hot comb, and only combing through the very top of the wig. Do not comb through the curls and do not comb through your edges. Now, if you want to do a middle part, you would do this exact same method. You'll just go on either side of the middle part. So that's why I didn't want to do that too early, because my final look was going to be the side swoop. Okay, as you guys can see, the top of the wig is looking super flat and we did not disturb the curls or the texture of the hair at all. So now I'm just going to add a little bit more water and I'm going to use my brush and I'm going to show you guys the curl pattern of this wig. The curls popped with just the water, and when I saw that, I was like, oh, you don't need any product at all. Like, you're just flawless. So I decided not to add any product to the hair at all because I didn't need it, and when it dried, it looked super beautiful. I loved how fluffy it looked. I love how voluminous it looked. I love how soft it looked. You could run your hands through it. It will just flow in the wind. I was obsessed. Okay, so she is pretty much done. This is how the hair was looking when it was still pretty wet, so I am going to show you guys what it looks like obviously right now and then when it dries. So I do just want to let you guys know that this Top Swiss HD lace is good for any skin tone. This wig is suitable for every and anybody, and that is part of the reason why I love it so much. And it was super easy to install, very beginner friendly. Once you get this wig, if you choose to restyle it, you can. You could do anything that you would like to do with this wig. It's very versatile because it is high quality. But as you guys can see, I love it just the way it is. This is how the hair looked when it dried, and this is with no product, you guys. Now y'all know this wig is a 10. Okay, we don't need to have any further discussion on it. Make sure you guys check out the description box. I will have all the information at the very top of the description box for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and shout out to Panala Hair for this gorgeous wig.